So guys, I finally decide that I'm done in college. So I'm now setting up my own goals instead of going to centralized schools. And also, I'm really hate to say that college is not even worth in my time. So as you know guys, that why I build the project use SEL, and also exploring some possibilities is because I really want experience than going to college. So in this video, um, I'm gonna explain to you that um, why I'm really don't like college, and also how it was structured. Just like when I made a video long ago about why I hate schools. Actually, for now, we are focusing on the college that I experienced. So, guys, I'm saying that when going to college or some of the centralized schools, I feel like I'm being chained internally, and also I really feel that I'm actually being like being can't uh, control my feelings in my mind or in my heart. So I've decided to break the chain by setting up my own goals and path and so on. And also I'm gonna say that you need to stay updated uh, to my YouTube channel, and also about my project of my QSL, because I really think if I want to update my QSL to add more features, or to fix some bugs. And also as you know guys, that you can see in my formerly Twitter X post, um, I send some links that I'm posting my project in Hackster, and also some of the posts got warning against the tech companies like Apple if they are threatening to sue me or threatening me legally just because of my QSACL, and also the details about why Bootroom is unpatchable and it cannot be patched uh, until tech company decide to redesign their hardware just to fix the bugs. And also some of the posts that I made, like being trash talking Apple, because I really hate the monopolist, or so many of the tech companies that is really being greedy. So guys, as you can see, I'm now confident and I'm not stressed enough for now, because I really take a break of being stressed searching in many social media like Facebook about some of the situation happening in this country. um, and also for some of the collaborators in GitHub, you may modify, fork, and also pull the request if you want, if I have time to respond to your request. And also if you have issue in my QSACL, you may send it to my repositories issues. And also if I want to respond, because maybe I'm busy some of my personal life sometimes, because as you know, family matters, and also um, other things that I really want to solve. So that's why that I made the YouTube video, because if I want to share my experience and also share of my project of my QSSCL in GitHub repositories, and also some of the situation happens, like if I got threatened by some of the tech companies. If my GitHub repositories gain recognition or gain mainstream in media, actually, for example, Ars Technica, Medium, Wired, and so on. And also, in this country, in Philippines, maybe some of the peoples in tech communities or some local communities actually um, trying to prove if I'm actually the made of the kill seal, because if because of the technical depth that I made in my repositories. So, guys, as you know, I repeat that I'm done in college, and also I really want to focus on my project, and actually soon that um, it will be mainstream. So be patient. So guys, goodbye and see you there soon, and good luck.